Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to change your window looks awesome with a beautiful landscape like this wallpaper. With some simple steps, you can change your window looks incredible like that. This way can apply for Windows 11 and Windows 10. It contains nice wallpaper and skin with Rainmaster software. Okay, let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in description below. After download, you have a zip file. You extract file. You have one folder with the skin and nice wallpaper. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store. You search the app just as TP and install it. This app will change your start bar become transparent. It's very short, only more 3 MB. You click open. And you see a start bar change to transparent. You click continue. For more settings, you go to system change. Right click to this icon and select more feature in here. Clear is transparent. Okay. Next app is Lightless Wallpaper. You click install. This app will help you to set up Lightless Wallpaper for your desktop. This is a free app. You click open. In this window, you click Add Wallpaper and browse to folder Storage Lightless Wallpaper. You select Lightless Wallpaper. Now it will set for your desktop. Okay. Next step, you go to Pro and download Rainmaster software. Click to install. Right click to unload basic skin. In system change, you click to this icon to run manage Rainmaster. You select this folder. Click open folder. Go back to skin folder. You go to folder you download in my description. Copy all skin in here and paste into Rainmaster skin folder. Now you click refresh all and you see all skin already links to Rainmaster software. Now we will send skin to desktop. In desktop, you right click, view, and stick so desktop icon. Now your desktop looks clean. In manage Rainmaster, you expand color tool and send icon software you want to desktop. I usually send Chrome. You expand Chrome, right click, load position on desktop. Next is S. You right click, load position on desktop. And this PC, right click, load position on desktop. And the last is YouTube, right click, load position on desktop. You move here to around icons in desktop. Okay. Next is Downtown. You expand it and select Visualizer V1. Right click, note. Now you cannot see Visualizer because we don't play any music. You also select position is on desktop. Let's narrow. You expand this, right click, node, position on desktop. You move it to here. Okay. Let's orbital clock. You right click, node, position on desktop. You move here. And the last is where the desk. You expand it. Right click, close, position on desktop. Okay. Basically, we are done to send skin to desktop. I will play one's music to see a visualizer. And you see it's a visualizer. You move it to here. I want to say more about Quest skin. You go to Range Master main list. Expand Quest, expand setting, right click, setting and node. In this table, you click to this icon. It will access a website. In here you can locate your location. In search box you type your location and click search. It will show latitude and longitude. You copy latitude, space in here, enter. Same with longitude, enter. Let's choose the skin variant, current day, 3 day or 6 day. I select current day. Site value, you input site value in this box. Example 1. And you see it's bigger. I think 0.6 is okay. So or high city. Okay, we almost done. Last step, you close and unspin on up. With 3 up, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar and off on. Okay, we done. I already completely finished. Changed my desktop to use with lightly wallpaper, landscape and skin. You can follow my step to change your desktop become like that. Okay. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.